Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your brand new 2018 Toyota Corolla SE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a calm, cool and collected Alpine white. Under the hood, you'll find a 1.8-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 16-inch wheels. Included in your SE package is your Sport mode, which tightens your steering wheel and sharpens your throttle response for the ultimate driving experience.
Helping you into your SE is your handy key fob. You have the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once. To unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that stylish turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up now to take a look. Right away, you're greeted by a very sporty interior. Here we're seeing glimpses of that blue trim. You also do have your power windows and your power locks. On the side here, you have your power adjustable side mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. You do have a full set of all-weather floor mats, fit perfectly to your Corolla. And taking a look at the real showstopper of your Corolla are your interiors with that mixed soft text and fabric center detailing with that blue trim, tying all of that sporty style together. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Corolla SE, simply put your foot on the brake and that key in the ignition there. That dashboard's gonna light up with that cool welcome screen and that ambient lighting. Taking a look at your multi-information display. Right now it is open to your Toyota Safety Sense features, things like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. You can control these systems with your steering wheel mounted controls, turning on and off the alert as well as setting the sensitivity of those sensors. You also do have your hands-free calling, your volume control, your voice command and mode changers mounted to your steering wheel. On this side here, you can find your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense as well. You do have your cruise control setting below there, and with your SE package, you have your paddle shifters for when you are in your sport drive mode. Here you can see you have your nice leather wrap steering wheel, and taking a look at the modern styling of your LCD screen here. It is open to your audio system right now, so you have your AM FM radio. You also have your CD player on top with your USB auxiliary and Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you can see that you also do have your backup camera show up on that screen, a great safety feature to have to keep everybody nice and safe. Below here you have again more modern styling for your climate control. You have these tabs with the digital display. You also do have your electronically controlled climate control and your air conditioning, which will be nice to have during those summer days. Below here you have your 12-volt DC charger as well as your USB auxiliary input. You have heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side for those cold Alberta days, and you have plenty of media storage. You have that leather trim on your shift knob as well as your traction control in your sport drive mode. You have your cup holders, your parking brake. Inside of your center console, you do have that top shelf for any smaller items, and below, plenty of space to store everything that you need. Here's a closer look at that contrasting blue stitching, tying that motif all together inside of your Corolla. And in your glove box here, you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your vehicle. Plenty of functional and sporty features built right into your Corolla, but why don't we hop on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Corolla. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob and it'll pop open for you here. A nice feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Plenty of space to store everything that you need. You also do have your handy 40/60 split folding seats in case you need to carry any larger items. You also do have your cargo lamp in there for visibility, plus underneath your cover here you have your tools, your jack, and your spare tire in case anything does happen on the side of the road. Of course, you have your emergency release from inside. Closing it up now, you can see that you have your backup camera available to you below there. With your SE upgrade, you have your spoiler detailing. You also do have that chrome tipped exhaust as we take one more look at the back of your Corolla.
Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Corolla SE. Built right into your sedan is your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert with steering assist and your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection to have you riding nice and safe. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.